Another RC helicopter flight test. This is the latest Eachine Black Hawk helicopter, the E200S. So main thing about this is you can fly it in manual, or what they call 3D mode, or 6G mode. 6G mode definitely best for beginners like me. Comes with 2 batteries, comes with the transmitter, and comes with the charger that you need for the flight batteries that go in this. So here it is. There's a lot of scale detail on this helicopter, but it's pretty much assembled. You don't have to do a lot of this. So certainly the blades and the head is all pre-assembled, as is the body. The only thing you do need to slide into place are the rockets on either side here, and the machine gun, and also the refueling boom at the front, but otherwise it's all ready to go. Nice feature that has a light on the front, so you have to connect that into the current flight battery that you're using. Slides under a little catch there and then plugs into the power port on the battery. Otherwise, that is it. In the box you do, as well as all the charging equipment, the charger and the flight batteries, you get spares. You get spare main blades, spare tail rotor and wheels as well, should you happen to break them or lose them. Alright, let's get it in the air, let's see how it flies. Okay, so transmitter on first. Then hold down the button underneath. And you have to hold it down for quite a while. Wait until the batteries light up. I would emphasise I've done a trimming flight already, because I would advise you don't fly it. This is a relatively small space, but don't fly it in a much bigger space the first time you fly it, because it needs to be trimmed out to reasonably stay on the same spot. Out of the box, this one had quite a bit of drift, so you want to take off, try and maintain the same height, but also get to the trim switches as well, so you can make it hover in the same spot. I've done that already, so it should do that now. Put out the blades in the right direction. There you go, a really realistic looking Black Hawk helicopter. And I'm not really, I'm more into jets and warbirds and things like that, but with concentration that's not too difficult to fly. Although I will emphasize, the first time you fly, you really do need to take it to an empty space where there's nobody around, where it's going to be super safe, because you are going to have to trim it out. You won't trim it out so that it stays rigidly to the same spot. It will never do that. It will always drift a little bit, and you're going to have to be controlling it all the time. It demands full concentration when you're flying something like this, but that's why it's so much fun. And you can start, you know, learning how to perform those scale helicopter moves, and it really does do everything. It's not meant for 3D inverted flight and TikToks and all of that type of stuff. It's just a very good looking scale RC helicopter. So thanks very much for watching this on Essential RC. The link for this is in the video description and pinned comment. Be back soon. See you next time. Bye.